Assalamu alaikum children. In our SST lesson we will go through our topic national heroes. Here we can see Quaid-e-Azam. His real name is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He is the founder of Pakistan. All because of his struggle and hardship we are living in this beautiful country Pakistan. He created this country with all his hardship and struggle. In 1940, Pakistan resolution was passed in Lahore in which Quaid-e-Azam demanded separate homeland for Muslims on 14th August 1947. And he was the first Governor General of Pakistan. He died on September 11, 1948. His tomb is in Karachi. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. He is our national poet. He was born in Sialkot on 9th November 1877. He received his early education in Sialkot, then he went to England for PhD in philosophy. He wrote many poems and he wrote lots of famous poems for children. बच्चे की दुआ, पहाड़ और गुलहरी, हमदर्दी, मकड़ा और मक्खी. These are the beautiful poems for our children. He gave the idea of Pakistan. He died on April 21st, 1938. He was buried near Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. Here we can see Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a teacher and politician. He was also a social reformer. He founded the school that would later become Aligarh Muslim University. Yes, इन्होंने एक यूनिवर्सिटी बनाई थी स्टडीज़ के लिए, मुसलमानों के लिए, जो अलीगढ़ के नाम से मशहूर हुई थी. ओके, ही प्लेड अ वाइटर रोल इन एजुकेशनल अपलिफ्ट ऑफ मुस्लिम्स इन इंडिया. इन्होंने सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान ने मुसलमानों की स्टडीज़ के लिए, मुसलमानों की पढ़ाई के लिए बहुत अहम किरदार अदा किया है. Here we can see Fatima Jinnah. Yes, she was the younger sister of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. ये जो फातिमा जिन्ना है ये मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना Quaid-e-Azam की छोटी सिस्टर है, छोटी बहन है. She was a Pakistani dental surgeon, writer, a stateswoman and one of the founders of Pakistan. She is also struggled for the independence of Pakistan. She was standing next to Quaid-e-Azam for all his hardship. So her legacy in her support for civil rights, her struggle in Pakistan movement and her devotion to her brother is beautiful. Here we can see Liaquat Ali Khan. Yes, he was a Pakistani politician. He was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. He played an important role in the partition of India and creation of Pakistan. ये पाकिस्तान के पहले प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी थे और इन्होंने भी पाकिस्तान को वजूद में लाने के लिए बहुत हार्डशिप की थी, बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया था. Here we can see a famous places of Pakistan. You can see there are some famous places of Pakistan. Can you remember what is this? In Urdu we have learned Yadgar Pakistan or Minar-e-Pakistan. Have you been there before? Minar-e-Pakistan or Yadgar Pakistan is a tall minar in Iqbal Park, Lahore, built in commemoration of the Lahore. ये पाकिस्तान का सबसे टॉल और ब्यूटीफुल मीनार है. बादशाही मॉस्क. Yeah, it is one of the historical place in Pakistan. The Badshahi Mosque was built in 1673 by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in Lahore, Pakistan near मीनार-ए-पाकिस्तान. तो ये और मीनार-ए-पाकिस्तान और बादशाही मॉस्क लाहौर में है और दोनों एक दूसरे के क्लोज हैं या आस पास ही हैं. Here we can see a Faisal Mosque. This mosque is in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. It is the national mosque of Pakistan and one of the largest mosques in the world. Yes, This is a beautiful mosque in Islamabad. Quaid-e-Azam residency. Yeah, this is a residency where Quaid-e-Azam spent last 2 months and 10 days of his life. Yes, it is located in Ziyarat, Balochistan, Pakistan. It is also known as Ziyarat residency. यहाँ पर कायद आज़म ने अपनी ज़िंदगी के आखिरी दिन, आखिरी अयाम जो थे वो गुजारे थे, इसलिए इसे कायद आज़म रेजिडेंसी भी कहते हैं. खैबर पास. यस, इट इज़ दिस ब्यूटीफुल खैबर पास इज़ a pass in the northwest of Pakistan. Khyber Pass is a mountain pass in the northwest of Pakistan on the border with Afghanistan. It is also an historical building. Mazar-e-Qaid. Yeah, Mazar-e-Qaid refer to the tomb of founder of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Yeah, it is a tomb of Quaid-e-Azam. Yeah, it is a tomb of Quaid-e-Azam, where Quaid-e-Azam is buried. Yeah, his tomb is in Karachi, his last rest place of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Yes, so that's are the famous places of our country, Pakistan. So what we will do now, we will do this workpack sheet. Here we can see this worksheet. So we will complete this also. Write the name of famous people and places with the help of word bank. Here we can see the picture of Quaid-e-Azam. Yes, so we will write here Quaid-e-Azam. You can see this name Quaid-e-Azam here. So we will write here Quaid-e-Azam. Okay. So we will write Quaid-e-Azam in our correct formation. We will not follow this formation. Okay. Quaid-e-Azam. You need to flick the M. Quaid-e-Azam. Here we can see. Yes, Minar-e-Pakistan. Here we can see the Minar-e-Pakistan. So we will write Minar-e-Pakistan with the help of word bank. Minar-e-Pakistan. Here we can see a Faisal Mosque. Yes. Here we can see Faisal Mosque. Yes, Faisal Mosque. So we will write here Faisal Mosque. Faisal Mosque. Okay. Here we can see a picture of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, our national poet. Allama Iqbal. So we'll write here Allama Iqbal. Okay. Here we can see a residency. Here we can see a Mazar-e-Qaid. Sorry. Here we can see Mazar-e-Qaid. Okay. Qaid's tomb. So we will write Qaid's tomb. Mazar-e-Qaid and Qaid's tomb is same thing. Okay. Tomb is in English. Qaid's tomb. If you want, you can write Mazar-e-Qaid also. Okay. Mazar-e-Qaid. You can write Mazar-e-Qaid. Here we can see, yes, Padshahi Mosque. Yes, our beautiful historical mosque, Padshahi Mosque. Padshahi Mosque. So, can you tell me who built that mosque? Who built that mosque? Yes, I have told you before. Yes, Aurangzeb. Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb built that mosque. Yes. Okay, children.